Welcome back to the TechMoto channel and the next video in the Jarvis robot series. I realised I've not posted any videos in a while because I've been busy at work. I've also had two of my 3D printers broke down, so they've taken a little while to repair. But we're back up and running, and today we're going to finish off the body shell, so printing the back pieces, and then we're going to add a few lights here and there. So let's get to it. Okay, that's the main body finished with its lights and its central light on the power supply. I've just got to fit the flaps on the back now, and then automate that with some servos and, you know, a little bit of wiring to do here, there and everywhere. But that's nearly done. Now I've used these cool gadgets called Tricolour LEDs. Tricolour LEDs, other people might know them as RGB, red, green, blue. They're one of the few electronic components where the long leg is the negative. And then the short legs are the positive. So you put negative to the long leg, and then when you put power to each one of the other pins, you get different colors. And of course you can put power to two pins and turn both colors on at the same time. So there's a great variation of colors that you can use. So I'll be able to program that into Jarvis quite effectively. In the next video, we'll look at automating those flaps that are printing right now for the back. So hopefully they'll be able to lift up. There'll be lights and things underneath and go back down again, so it looks more automated. But that'll be in the next video. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.